Hi, the course title is Mastering Python Programming. This course is all about understanding of Python and use of Python in various domains like cloud platform, machine learning, and data science. In this course, you will be learning about basics of Python programming, features in Python, exploring on cloud client libraries in GCP, the use of Python in data science, working with ML application using Python, practice environment used in the course to do the activities. Let's have a look on what is Python. Python is easy to learn and it is powerful programming language. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines compared to other programming languages. Let's have a look on the course description. In this course, you will learn the basics such as data types, data structures, statements, functions of Python, installing and configuring Python IDLE. You will learn the implementation of an application using OOPS concept, creating the database and executing the queries, understanding how to install and configure Python client libraries in GCP, and creating application in GCP. You will also learn how Python is used in data science and machine learning. Let's have a look on the target audience for this course. They are developers interested in Python, Python developers, data scientists and data analysts, software developers and cloud developers. Let's see the prerequisites to begin with this course. Understanding of basic Python programming, free tier GCP account, working knowledge on GCP cloud services, basic knowledge on ML algorithms. Now let's have a look on the lessons for this course. The lesson 1 is all about the basics of Python programming. In the lesson 2, it is advanced features in Python. In lesson 3, you will learn using Python in cloud programming. In lesson 4, using Python in data science. Fifth lesson is all about Python for machine learning. Let's see the practices for the lesson 1. Installing and configuring Python ideally, working with data structures, implementing conditional and looping statement, implementing user-defined function by using modules and packages. In the lesson 2, you will be implementing an application using OOPS concept and Python application to read and write the file. Then you will create a database and execute the queries and creating threads and executing multi-threading applications. In lesson 3, you will install and configure Python client libraries in GCP, then creating an application to get user details using Python libraries. Using Python client libraries, you will create an instance in GCP. Let's have a look on the practices for lesson 4. You will install and configure Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook. Then you will do the processing CSV, XLS and JSON data. Then create visualization by using chart properties and chart styling and implementing Python application using chi-square. In the fifth lesson, you will implement clustering by categorizing items to group and implement ML application using linear application, then classify the handwritten digits using Python, and you will create a decision tree. Let's see the practice environment required to do this course. You will require GCP account to access the cloud resources and GCP Cloud Shell. To summarize, in this lesson, you have learned about detailed course objectives, course description based on the objectives, course target audience, prerequisites for taking up this course, detailed course schedule, practice environment used in this course to do the activities.